advice nako sa ilaha to be always faithful sa ilahang duties, sa ilahang office, and ganina nakita nato sila nanumpa no, naadid to sa ilahang panunumpa to number one, be faithful to their functions and be faithful to the functions of their offices, if any, in addition to the position that they were elected to. And then next, that they will stand firmly by the legal orders, laws and decrees of duly constituted authorities in our country. And of course, that they be faithful to their oath, and that they are not, they have no purpose of evasion in their oath.